today's video, we're going to solve inequalities. It comes from Chapter 7, Lesson 2E and 2F. In another chapter, we learned how to solve x plus 4 equals 10. Well, today, we're just doing x plus 4 is less than 10. But the song is the same. Minus 4, cross out, what's my answer? Minus 4, cross out, what's my answer? In both cases, we get a number of 6. However, when we did the equation, x equaled 6 and only 6. Today, x is going to equal 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the negative numbers, the decimals, the fractions, everything less than 6. There's only one answer. There's lots of answers. If you were to stop up here at this work and circle the 6 as if you were done, it would not be correct, because we have to say that x is not 6, it's everything less than 6. And when we're doing inequalities, we always need to graph our answer. So I have a 6, I have the neighbors to the 6. I'm going to do an open dot because it's only less than. Less than goes to the left, is smaller. So, song is the same. Answer looks a little different, and this requires one extra step. Let's try this question. 4x is greater than or equal to 96. What number do I want to get rid of? The 4. How do I get rid of it? I divide. Divide by 4, cross out, what's my answer? X is greater than or equal to whatever this division problem is. If you can do that in your head, great. If you can't, then you should work it out. That means that x is greater than or equal to 24 and everything higher. So now I need to draw my number line. I do a closed dot. Greater than goes to the right. All right, let's look at this one. X divided by 8 is less than or equal to 16. What number do I want to get rid of? The 8. How do I get rid of it? By multiplying. That's the opposite of what's happening now. Times by 8, cross out, what's my answer? X is less than or equal to whatever this answer is. 16 times 8 ends up being, 128. One extra step, I need a number line with 128 and some neighbors. What kind of a dot? Open dot or closed dot? Closed. To the left or to the right? Well, this says less than. X is less than 128, so less than goes to the left. Here's your first question of the video. X minus 26 is greater than 9. Tell me what the answer is. X minus 26 is greater than 9. We're going to add 26 to both sides. That gives me 35. X is greater than 35. Now tell me about this picture. Will it be an open dot or closed dot, colored left or colored right? Open dot to the right. X's are greater than 35, so 36, 37, 38. Now let's remember how to do two-step equations, because we're going to do two-step inequalities. We want to get rid of the 6 and the 3. Who do I get rid of first? First one I get rid of is the 3. Since I'm adding 3, I need to do the opposite, which is to subtract. Minus 3, cross out, what's my answer? When I rewrite the question, I say 6x is greater than 36, and now I'm ready to get rid of the 6. Right now it's smushed, so the opposite of that is to divide. Divide by 6, cross out, what's my answer? And I end up with x is greater than 6. One more step, make a number line, give me some neighbors, what kind of a dot, what direction does it go? Let's review this question. I want to get rid of the 5 and the 2. Who should I get rid of first? I should get rid of the 2. Add 2 to both sides. Rewrite the question. Get rid of the 5 by multiplying. That means that x is less than or equal to 60. Final step is to graph it. Give me a 60, give me some neighbors. What kind of a dot and what direction? Close dot to the left. Your last 2 questions are related to this guy here. First one is to solve the inequality. What is x going to be? Type in your answer. The answer was x is less than 12. Now tell me, what does the graph look like? Answer was open dot to the left.